Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. In today's recipe we're going to prepare green smoothies. Yes, and here we have our lemon. The next here is our water. The next one is our cucumber. We are going to use half cucumber for this recipe. The next one is the king of this recipe, which is the spinach. The next is our green apple. As we all know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And that's our ginger. Helps with weight loss, aids in digestion, improves our hair, neck, and our skin. So we'll start with our cucumber. We're gonna cut it into bite sizes for easy blending. I'm using half cucumber for this because I'm making it in small batch. So if you're making it in large quantity, you may want to use 2 or 3 depending on the quantity you want to store up in the fridge. It can last you for 3 days. So we're going to be using cucumber. Cucumber has a lot of water, helps with hydration, keeps our skin glowing, aids in weight loss, guys, and keeps us fuller for long, and has a lot of fibers. So we are done cutting, and we are going to toss it into our blender. So our next ingredient is the lemon. Yes, everyone loves lemon taste in their drink. So this lemon is not only tasty, but it also helps with weight loss. It helps your immune system. It's good for the heart, and it helps with kidney stones. It has a lot of vitamins and fibers. And also, if you notice from the video, I'm cutting it with the skin. Yes, we want to get all the goodness out of this lemon. So that's why I'm cutting it with the skin. But ensure that you wash it properly. I've already washed it with vinegar and baking soda off camera so that the video will not be unnecessarily long. So ensure you wash your lemons properly before putting it in the blender. So the next one there is our ginger. Guys, ginger helps with weight loss, helps fight inflammation, helps reduce our blood sugar level, helps reduce our cholesterol level. And also, if you notice, I'm cutting it with the skin. You want to get all the goodness out of it as well, and ensure that you wash it properly, which I have already done off camera. So make sure that you cut it into tiny sizes, bite sizes, so that it will be easily blended. You will not see chunks. You want to get a smooth paste after blending. So the next ingredient there is our apple, green apple. As we all know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So we are preparing a green smoothie. So everything is green, green, green. So guys, apple is very important. It has a lot of fibers. It helps with immune system, aids our digestive system, keep us fuller for long, give us that good natural sugar that we need in our body. So guys, ensure you consume an apple a day. Just like they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. One thing about apple is that it has a compound that's called pectin. This pectin is a fiber source that acts as prebiotic to promote growth of healthy bacteria in our gut. So it's good for your gut health. So if you're somebody that is constipated, an apple is going to help you. It will flush out everything that's clogging your intestine, So we're going to toss it into the blender. The next thing there is our spinach, our green goddess. I call it green goddess because it has a lot of vitamins and minerals. It has vitamin A, C, and K. It has iron, folate, and potassium. It helps with our blood pressure, lowers our cholesterol, and keep us fuller for long. Just look at that, guys. Everything is shaping up. So the next thing we're gonna put is our water. Yeah, to help the blender move fast, so that it can juice properly. So we are getting ready to blend all our goodness away. So look at that, guys. The apple, the cucumber, the ginger, and the lemon, and the spinach. So we're gonna blend away. So guys, we are done blending. We are going to sieve. If you have a blender, you're going to sieve. If you have a juicer, you're going to just juice away. But if you don't have a juicer, just do exactly what I'm doing now. Get a bowl, get a sieve, and then sieve it. You're still going to get the same result. Yes. So guys, you see how smooth it looks? That's why I said if we're cutting the ginger, cut it in bite sizes so that the blender can blend it smoothly. So that is it. You see how it looks so smooth, so that you can be able to sieve it easily. So I'm gonna fast forward it, because if I leave it, it's gonna take long. I'm making the video unnecessarily long, and I don't want to keep you for long. Wow, so there you have it guys. See our end result. I'm going to be tossing some ice cubes into the jar and into the cup, so enjoy it, especially for the heat, the summer period. This is gonna come in handy. So guys, just look at how beautiful that looks. You know, whenever I'm juicing, I feel happy any day I'm juicing, because I feel I'm doing something good for my body, you know, something that is gonna help me live long and disease free. So guys, I hope you feel the same way when you are doing your juicing. You know, it's a different feeling when I'm taking soft drink. You know, after taking it, I feel bad, I feel guilty. But whenever I'm juicing, I feel so good I'm doing the right thing. Just look at that guys. Just look at how beautiful this looks. Just imagine how this thing going to your body, nourishing your body, helping you lose weight, reducing your blood sugar level, helping your hair, nails to grow fast and strong, keeping your skin glowing, helping you focus. You know, it helps our mental clarity, it gives you more energy, and helps your digestive system, and also reduces sugar cravings guys. Yes, you reduce sugar cravings, and it is tasty. It's not like it's bitter, no, it's tasty. There's lemon there, there's apple as well, so you're going to get that burst of flavor, and you're not sacrificing on taste, because you're still going to get a good taste, because there's lemon and there's apple. So guys, try this at home. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please like my video, subscribe, and share it. Please drop a comment. Thank you.